I have a super exciting workshop planned for you at Stampaway 2018. Let me show you the end result. It's a tote bag that you get to customize, and we have two designs to choose from. We have this little fox and this little owl. Now notice at the bottom you can put your name, and you're going to get to choose your colors. But the exciting thing about this workshop is that everyone will be using the Brother ScanNCut2 CM350 machine. I don't think this has ever been done at a convention. I'm not sure, but I don't think so. I'm going to bring a dozen of these machines with me to Stampaway, and at most we'll have 2 people per machine. You're going to get to choose your design, the owl or the fox, load it into the machine, choose all the colors of vinyl that you want to use, cut the vinyl, and then we're going to transfer it onto the bag in layers using a Happy Crafters pink heat press. So this is definitely hands-on. Now, if you've never used a Brother ScanNCut2, don't worry. I'm going to guide you through every step, and this will be your chance to actually use one of these machines hands-on. If you use another cutting machine, well, you may be a step ahead, but you'll also learn some of the unique features of the ScanNCut2, including the 300 dot per inch scan capabilities and the 7 fonts that are included on each machine. You'll use one of those fonts to create the name at the bottom. It could be the name, you could put a saying, it's totally up to you. That's what's so cool about this class. We're not pre-cutting anything. You're going to choose your design, choose your word, choose your fonts, and then we're going to show you how to do it all on the Brother ScanNCut2 and on the Happy Crafters pink heat press. I'm really excited about this workshop. I don't think anything's been done like this at any other event. We'll have all the ScanNCuts set up, we'll have the heat presses set up, and we're going to play together at Stampaway 2018. I'm Joe Rotella, and I look forward to seeing you there. Happy crafting!